Hey folks, well I'm checking out the new, how you going, Sky Pilot here. I'm checking out this new Tello app I've found. It's called Tello, whatever it was called, some funky name. If you just use Android, if you just go to the Play Store and just type in Tello, it'll come up. Yeah, I think it's some sort of kids learning app, so I'm going to check it out and see what we actually do here. Haven't run this before, so click to learn more. Let's see what's going on here, shall we? Oh, I don't want to learn more. It's Tello EDU, it's called. So what do we got here? We've got a controller. Okay, so we can control the Tello. Okay. Up, pitch, speed, mode, take off. Alright. We're going to take off here. Alright, what else do we do here? Ready to go. Select a mode or return. I'll go return. Training station. Okay. The beginning. Yeah, so this is, I think it's a programmable type app, so you can actually program what you want the Tello to do, I believe. So learn how to pull program blocks. Oh crikey, this could take a long time. Okay. Press to start.
So it looks like, yeah, it just guides you through all different types of action. So I'm not going to sit here and bore the living bejeebers out of you guys. So let's go. System message. You have first logged into this feature. No, I don't want to log in. What about if we go to Earth? Level 1. Start. Okay. Press play to start. Okay. You need to first land the drone on the landing pad. Okay. So I think it's a bit of a game as well as a controller for the crash. Okay. Alright, let's just take off here. Okay.
Clicks to start. Press play. Oh, okay, alright. Okay, motion, alright. Yeah, if you've got a fair bit of time, this is a good app to play with because it looks quite complicated. So, okay, take off, land, controls, variables. So it makes the Tello fully programmable, which is pretty cool. However, we're not going to be able to do too much flying here today. Over here you've got video. I have no idea what that is. This looks pretty complex, guys. Let me see if we can actually control the Tello with this app as well. Yeah, if you've got a spare hour on your hands, this looks like a pretty cool app. Let's go back now. Back to level menu. Go back again. I want to go back again quickly. Alright, so I haven't logged in. I'm not going to log in. So yeah, settings up here. Obviously English. System message. So yeah, you got to log in, guys. I'm not going to bother doing that. I'm going to see what happens when we perhaps take a flight. So I'll just turn my Tello on. I'll see if you can use this app to actually control your Tello. Okay. I imagine first we need to connect the Tello.
Okay, stand by, can you hear me?
We've got a green light up here. System message, your drone has not been activated. You should use the official Tello app to activate your drone before use. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Whatever. Okay, let's get our speed down to 1. Alright, speed on 7. Battery, yeah, that's pretty cool. Tello, and take off. Yeah, fingers crossed this could go anywhere. Oh, okay. So, yeah, it's flying, but I'm not actually controlling it. So that's a quick look at the the new Tello app. You've got plenty of time on your hands. Yeah, have a squiz. Looks pretty cool. Lots to do. Need to log in. so I'm not going to bother doing. I think it's great for kids. You learn about programming and control the drone by basically by program and tell it what to do. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. No worries. Thumbs up, drop us a comment, let me know if you used this before. I'm going to go boil an egg. See you in the sky. Bye for now.